opportunities for pay-by-the-hour bad guys.
Zooming in here is the Flash. Please recommend Cloud Action.
Pump up your yellow 260 balloon. Tie a knot. Make a 3 cm bubble, a pinch twist, an 8 cm bubble, another pinch twist, and one last 3 cm bubble, and cut the rest of the balloon off. Save that balloon for later. Tie your knot. Now pump up your red balloon. Tie your knot. Tie it to one of the pinch twists. Make an 8 cm bubble and twist it onto the other pinch twist. Make another 8 cm bubble and tie it back to the first pinch twist. Now using your white balloon, make an 8 cm bubble and tie your knot. Tie it to one of the pinch twists. And make 2 4 cm bubbles. And tie it to the other pinch twist. And cut the rest of the balloon off. And tie your knot. Now pump up your blush balloon. Make an 8 cm bubble and tie your knot. Tie the end to one of the pinch twists and tie the other end to the other pinch twist. Tie a knot and cut off the excess. Now, pump up your yellow balloon. Tie your knot and tie it to the other pinch twist that is free. Now here's a tricky bit. Grab the yellow and red balloon and fit it underneath the head and twist them together. Using the red balloon, make 2 6 cm bubbles, with the second bubble reaching back up to the head. Now once again, squeeze the yellow and red balloon underneath the torso and twist it together. Using the yellow balloon, make 4 pinch twists for the waist. You can now cut off the excess, tie a knot, and hide the knot inside the 4 pinch twists. Pop off the rest of that red balloon and save 14 centimeters for the arms. Tie a knot. Now pump up your second red balloon. Tie your knot. And tie that red balloon onto the 4 pinch twists of the waist. Make a 7 centimeter bubble, a pinch twist, a loop twist, a 2 centimeter bubble for a spacer, a pinch twist, a loop twist, and one last 7 centimeter bubble that goes back up to the waist. Tie a knot and cut off the rest. Now use the previous red balloon that you saved and make 2 7 centimeter bubbles. And fit it underneath the head between the torso and the neck. And now the twisting part is done. Now to draw his face, use a black marker to draw on his eyes and his mouth. Use a pink marker to draw on the blush, and red for his eyes. Use a white marker to draw the symbol on his shirt, and you're done.
Wow, it's actually zooming in here. I think I should put him over here. If you like my channel, please don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button. Thank you. Bye-bye.